Hey there guys, Abner here, back with another unboxing, and today we have our Dragon Ball Z Android collection. Okay, so as you can see, we have Android 16, number 708, Android 17, number 529, and Android 18 right here, number 530. So they are all part of our Dragon Ball Z collection, but they are the Androids that we have. So you have seen them on the Dragon Ball Z's series on the Android Saga, and these are the three prominent Androids that we know. So now we have seen what we have around the boxes of our Funko Pops. Let's dive in, shall we? Wow. So there we go with our Dragon Ball Z Funko Pop Android Saga collection. So this is Android 16, Android 17, and this is Android 18. Let's start with the big guy. So Android 16, based on the story, is a fully mechanized being. He's really an entire robot by himself. So he was not a human transformed into a robot. He's really a fully mechanized organism, being Android 16. So as you can see, in terms of size, Android 16 is the biggest among the three, and somehow it looks like Alfred from Ghost Fighter because of the hair right here. Yeah, orange hair. The color really looks good. Color pops up, and that is also the color of his eyebrows right there. See closely, you got these earrings on both ears right there, and right here. And he's wearing like a green armor, predominantly green armor right there. These parts on his legs and on his arms are like dark green in a sense. And if you look closely right there, so as you can see here, there's like a bird or a pigeon on his arms right there, just beside the Red Ribbon Army logo right there on his chest. The bird right here symbolizes peace and tranquility, because Android 16 is, as it turns out, has been a very good Android. He really didn't want to kill people for the Red Ribbon Army, or for Dr. Zero, who is the leader of the Red Ribbon Army. And Dr. Zero is the one who created all the androids right here. So he didn't really want to kill for the Doctor. That's why Android 16 has been decommissioned. So that's what that bird is all about. Android 16 is really a good guy. Perfect. That's the bottom line right there. On the back, more of the green armor that he is wearing. And of course, the backside of that mohawk, that orange mohawk right there. So that is Android 16. Wow, really great figure. I like this. Now this one is Android 17. So as you may know from the story from the Dragon Ball Z saga, so both of them, Android 17 and 18, are teenagers who have been kidnapped by Dr. Zero, and they have been transformed into an android. So both of them have been transformed into an android. So they were once human, so they were transformed. But in terms of the appearance, he has a predominantly good hair right here. More of like the hair of Trunks. So that's the son of Vegeta. A good hair right there, and yeah, matching eyebrows. Big black circle eyes right there. And he is wearing somewhat a depiction of a teenager in a sense. It looks like he's going to a mall or something. So there's an orange scarf right there over his gray shirt with a, over a long sleeve white shirt inside. And there's the Red Ribbon Army logo on his chest as well. So he also has ammunitions in here. Like there's a gun holster right there. And maybe pockets for bullets. Nice yellow belt right there. I mean the yellow buckle on the orange belt. And the blue pants. As you can see, one ripped jeans right there. The sneakers right there. Wow, good details on the sneakers. And I've mentioned the holster and like a gun in there, but they seldom use it because they're really, really strong. I think I have never seen them draw a gun ever, so I'm not sure why there's a gun on Android 17. If you know why, please drop a comment, alright? To educate me. If ever somebody knows why Android 17 carries a gun holster and a gun right there. So if you look at the back, there's the gun right there. And more of his jeans and green socks right there. And that's where the scarf ends, the orange scarf and his dark gray shirt. So the colors on this figure for Android 17 is really good. It really depicts a teenager, just as I mentioned, just going to the mall, going to a party. So that's Android 17. Now this one is Android 18. So Android 18 is, as I mentioned from Android 17, one of the pair of teenagers that has been kidnapped by Dr. Zero and converted into an android. She is also, as you may have known, the wife of Krillin, one of the Z fighters, right? One with the dots on his forehead, his bald, that bald guy. This is his wife, Android 18. They have a daughter, Maron, and as the story continues, they have formed a family after the Android Saga. Really, really vibrant yellow hair. And one earring is visible on his right side right here. And I think those are green eyebrows. There are eyelashes right there. Depicts that she is indeed a girl. Android 18 is wearing a sweater. Blue sweater right there. on top of a black and white striped shirt. Right there. And she is indeed wearing a skirt. Wearing blue leggings and like an orange flats right there. Really good color on Android 18 right here. And on the back, there you go. There is where the Red Ribbon Army logo is located. And again, you can see the skirt right there and the leggings comboed with the orange flat shoes right there. So that is Android 18 right there. So in terms of measurements, let us measure them using centimeters. So for Android 16, this is the big one. That's 13 cm right there. For Android 17, including the hair, that's 10 cm right there. Android 16 is really huge. So Android 18 is same. So that's 10 centimeters. Same as with Android 17. So for weight, we will again use our digital scale right here, and we will use grams. The big boy, the big guy, Android 16. 101.4 grams. For Android 17, that is 66 grams. And the lady of the bunch, Android 18, 68.5 grams. Now let's not make fun that he's heavier than Android 17. We might get slapped. There you go guys, with our quick unboxing and review of our Funko Pop Dragon Ball Z Android Saga figures. So again, this is Android 16, Android 17, and Android 18. Let me just ask you, what do you have on your collection? Do you also collect Dragon Ball Z figures from Funko Pop? Please comment it down there, okay? So I'll know who's my fellow collector for Dragon Ball Z Funko Pops right here. So please do not forget that we are still on our 3,500 subscribers giveaway. For more info on that, I'll put a link right here and on our video description. Please do not forget to like and comment on our video. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing to Abner's Reviews. Click the notification bell, select all, so you'll get notified when we upload another one of our videos. Also follow us on our social media links right here. That's been it. This is Abner's Reviews. Now I'll catch you guys on the next one. いい試合になりそうだね。